Alright, so a 200 gram sample radioactive polonium-210 has a half-life 138 days. Okay, and we estimate that the decaying with this particular exponential function. Note that if I replace t with 138, I get 200 times by half, right? Times by half, so that we'll get exactly 100. Please note that this approximation of an equation, this is actually not 100% accurate. You'll see that either in grade 12 or when you take chemistry or biology courses, that the correct one is to actually use a number e, which actually is sort of proven, right? They actually prove it that that's the right choice to go. That's a better approximation in calculus. Nevertheless, let's use this particular formula, and this is the one that that's gonna be most popular in grade 11. So it says to determine the mass that that remains after 5 years. That means just simply find the mass when t is 5. So that's 200 half 5 years, so it's 5 over 138. Okay, just have to punch that in the calculator. Approximately 194.04 grams. Okay. Part B, that's A. Part B, how long does it take for this 200 gram to sample to decay to 110? So not quite half, so it should be less than 138 days, but pretty close. Okay, so that means the final result is 110. And let's make that equal to the given equation of 200 half t 138. Okay, so we can divide both sides by 200, and we're trying to isolate t here right now. So 110 over 200. Okay, so I'm going to write actually the 1 over 2 as t to the power of -1, so t to the power of t over 138. Okay, so we're going to get here 11 over 20 is equal to 2 minus t over 138. Okay, and the best way to isolate t is to use the definition of log. Okay, so if you have let's say a to the power of b is equal to c, this is equivalent to b is equal to log of ac. Okay, note that the exponent gets isolated. So I'm going to use that definition to say minus t over 138 is equal to log of base 2 11 over 20. So t will be minus 138 times by log of 11 over 20 base 2. Now the way you punch this in the calculator is 138 times by, you type in log 11 over 20, okay, press that, and then divide by log of 2. Okay, so let me do that. Approximately 119.02, okay, which is pretty close to 138. So that's how long it takes for the 200 to shrink to 110.